How to add music on your Messenger notes. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To add music on your Facebook Messenger notes, open your Messenger app. After opening, on top left hand side of your screen, right below the search box, you can see this icon, share or talk. So simply click on that. Now you will see this kind of pop-up. So here on middle of your screen, you can see this music icon. So tap on it. Again, you'll see this pop-up. Here you can find all of the trending music on Messenger. So simply scroll down to find more music. If you have any specific music on your mind, click on the search box icon located on top of your screen. And then search for the music that you want. So simply type the name of music and then click on search. Now, after searching for the music that you want, simply tap on the music. Again, you will see this pop-up. On bottom of the screen, you can see the timeline of the music. Also, here you can see these three dots. These three dots are the most used part of the music on Messenger notes. So you can either select those three parts or simply scroll down to select more. So select any portion of the music and then click on done. Now write any caption as you want and then click on share icon located on top of your screen. This is how you share music on Messenger notes. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more helpful tutorials.